Hey y'all, welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm not buying it. So I am up today, Monday, January the 25th. My packages just arrived and I'm going to get started with this new DIY. But let me show you what we're going to be working on today. So I went to Walmart and just got plain, back in the day we used to call these Bobos. These plain white sneakers. I wear a size 11. Yes, I have big feet. Always had. And they were $5.87. Let me see that. $5.87. So this is the project that we're going to be working on. We're going to be blinging out our sneakers. So what you will need is E6000. You are going to need a jewel picker, which was $5.99 at Hobby Lobby, but if you use your 40% coupon, I think it's like under maybe $3 and some change, $4 at the most. Some Q-tips, and this is the package that just arrived. Hopefully you'll be able to see it this way. I don't want to tilt it over until I bring the camera down for you to check out the colors. And I just have a pair of scissors as well. So what I'm going to do is just get all these little strings and tags cut off. Okay. Oh, and I also forgot your color of choice of satin ribbon, because when we're all done, we're going to pull these shoestrings out and then we're going to put our ribbon in here. Enough with me talking. I'm going to bring the camera down and we're going to get started. So before I get off of the camera, I hope you enjoyed this project. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and make sure to leave me a lovely comment, and let me know if you have ever made blinged out sneakers. So without further ado, let's get in it. Enjoy the music. And this is going to be very tedious, so I hope you have patience, to sit with me and watch how I bling these sneakers. Y'all have a lovely day, and as I always say, if it ain't cheap, I ain't buying it. I'll see y'all in another DIY video. Bye-bye. Alright, and then I forgot to tell you, if you want to, you can wear gloves, because I just got my nails done and I don't want them messed up. So, let's get started. Let's get that open. And if you never used a picker-upper, it has the thin point, and then it has a fat point on it. You see that quick, this glue is very strong. As soon as I open it, look. So you want to probably have something to collect the leftover, the glue that's coming out. And I'm not even putting any pressure on this. Okay, y'all, off camera real quick. I had to change gloves because the other ones were not, they were cutting through. And by that time, the glue has done dried up a lot. So let me just go back in here and add some more glue. And then another thing I realized off camera is that I sorted them in these little cups, because these are the colors that I'm going to be working on first. And then I laid them out on the table for the picker-upper. So just add some more glue. I'm going to make sure that this is going to stick. These are going to stick. I wish it was so simple just to use your glue gun, but we know that they will all fall off, and I want this to be a permanent thing for a outfit that I'm wearing. And when you get tired of wearing your heels, I will have my personal sneakers. Alright, enough talking. So you're just going to use that pickup stick and you're just going to drop it and keep going. That's why it's imperative that you get one of these, because it'll make your life easier, and it just places your beads, or if you're going to use rhinestones, right where you need it to be placed. Alright, y'all, so I'm back, and this is how much I've gotten done. I'm loving it. I'm loving the pops of the greens and the teal, well, I guess like a baby blue. I don't know what blue that is, but isn't that pretty? And, you know, I didn't keep track of the time, but I think I did this less than an hour, this part right here. And because I don't want the other sneaker to be identical, I think I'm going to start adding the iridescent beads, these right here. You can see them. I'm going to start adding them to finish up this side. On the side. Your beads, because you need every single one of them. Alright, so I'm just going to do a couple and then I'll be back. These are the real tiny ones. But that's okay, because the main part, what I want to be showing is the front of the tongue. So this is just a little, you know, bling. When I'm walking, they can see the side of the sneaker. And once I do both sneakers, and if I have any leftover beads, I'm going to show you another technique, but I just want to try to keep it with this one pack of beads that I got. I don't want to have to order another pack. So we're just, like I said, just dropping that down in there. Sorry that was off camera. And this is a real nice rainy day project. Alright, y'all, I'm back, and this is what it is looking like. And on the sides. And then on the back, I decided to put 52, because that's the age that I'm going to be this summer, and this is actually for my birthday when the heels are hurt, you know, start hurting my feet. I can throw on my fabulous sneakers. And you already probably got the idea of the color that I'm wearing, which is going to be that purple. So I think they came out pretty good. I'm not gonna keep y'all, but I do have to go around this edge right here and right there. But I'm just gonna show you how I'm gonna do the ribbon now. And that's just, you know, basically putting it through. This is probably going to be the hardest part. So, here is the before, just a plain Walmart sneaker for $6. And after. And the sides. Sides. And 52 I put in the back. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up and leave me a lovely comment. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.